Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tony Esu and I'm a makeup artist and beauty blogger based in Lagos, Nigeria. If you're just joining in, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is actually going to be my very first review, and I'm going to be reviewing the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. And now I'm late. I think it came out about last month. Well, if it came out last month, I'm not late now. Yeah. I'm not late, but then I'm later than everyone, but then I really wanted to review this foundation. I've had this foundation on me for about 2-3 weeks now, and I kept it for this video, and it was very tempting to not touch it, but then I decided to keep it for this video. Okay, so I'll be reviewing and also doing a wear test on the foundation to see how well it holds up, and then all of that. Yeah, so let's jump right in. So I'm based in Nigeria, and yeah, I know Colourpop shipped to Nigeria, but then I didn't want to wait for 3 weeks to get my package and all, and so I got it from somewhere here in Nigeria, sorry, a makeup retailer, Glam Beauty J. So this is it. I love when companies like give really fancy packaging like this. I don't know, I really like it. So, and it's so pretty. This is the packaging of the foundation. It's really pretty. And I got the shade Dark 175. It was really hard trying to find my shade online. I'm not going to lie, I watched like a billion tutorials of people that have like a similar shade or skin tone as I am, and I finally settled on this, and I hope I made the right decision. Anyway, so this is the packaging. One of the things I really love about this foundation is the packaging. It's so beautiful. I love it. And it has a cap, it has a pump. Yay, it has a pump as well. And another thing I like is that the pump has a look. It has a look. It's really nice. So basically I'm in the shade, sorry, I'm not in the shade, but then I got Dark 175, and I hope that's the shade. To prime, I'm going to be using my mixture is the Pond's mixed with the Nivea aftershave balm. I love these two together, honestly. The Pond's is a bit too dry for me because I'm a dry combination. My skin type is dry combination thereabouts. So the Pond's alone, it's usually a bit too dry, so that's why I mixed it in with the Nivea aftershave balm, and the two together, I really love it. So just going to apply my primer as usual. And alright, the foundation claims to be matte and full coverage. I'm not really a full coverage person, but then from the reviews I've watched online, they say people say it's not exactly full coverage. So yeah, I also don't like foundations that are too matte, because like I said, I have dry combination skin. So yeah, and also from the reviews I've watched online, it says it's not exactly like matte, it's more of a semi-matte. But then I'm going to try it today and see what it does. I'm just going to do half of my face first, so you can see how it covers and how it matches. So, and I'm going to go with 3 pumps. It's runny. I don't know if you can see it. It's runny, and I know some people have issues with liquidy or runny foundation, but I don't. I like it. Let me see. Let's see if it matches my skin. I think it does. I like my foundation. I prefer my foundation a bit dark. Like, if I know it's very hard to find my shade, but I prefer to go like one shade darker than to go lighter. So I'm happy for one that this isn't brighter. I think it's, yeah, it is. Anyway, so first, this is how I like to, I'm going to be using a beauty blender. I'm going to do my routine the same way I do any normal day. I'm a beauty blender, sorry. I'm a beauty blender person. I don't know how to use brushes, but then first I just go in with a brush, a concealer brush, and then apply the foundation. I feel like it's, I don't know how it's showing on camera. I feel like it's my exact match, or it had been darker, but I'm not mad at it. I actually like it. And it's blending really good with the blender. Like I said, I don't do brushes. I prefer beauty blenders, except it's a cream foundation, then I do brushes. So I'm just going to do my face do half of my face. I actually do like it. I like the finish. Okay, yes, it's not like dry matte. It's more of a semi-matte, and well, I really love that because I'm dry skin. I think it's a perfect match. I don't know how it is on camera, but I like this. I don't like my foundation too bright, so I really don't like it. I would rather it be a bit darker, but then this, it looks good. It looks really good, and I like the coverage. It's not full coverage, but I can still see like a mark I had just here. Yeah, I can still see it. It's not exactly full coverage, but then it's more of medium to full coverage, but I like it. Okay, now that it's sinking in, I don't know if it's too much oil, I don't know. Let's see. I like it. I think I need to read the description of this online. Okay, so I'm back. I'm on the Colourpop website, and this shade Dark 175 says it's a warm foundation with rich golden undertones for dark skin tones. Yes, I agree, it's warm, but it's not so golden per se. I wouldn't call this like, probably there's a hint of golden in it, but then it's not so golden. So I'm just going to apply it to the rest of my face. I remember the last time I did this. Honest. I'm eating foundation before brows person, so this is a bit weird. I hate being too careful around my brows. I don't know. I like the finish. Okay, now that I've put it all over my face, I think I like it. So I'm just going to do a bit extra because I'm still seeing some marks here. It's definitely beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, I like this foundation. And yes, it says no filter. Yeah, it's definitely blurring out my imperfections. Definitely. Okay, I think this may be my new everyday foundation. Oh my god, I like the finish. So this is it. What do you guys think? You think this is my perfect match? Okay, I'm beginning to see the golden in it. It's not as golden as I'm used to, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I really, oh my god, I'm so happy I didn't waste my money because I did so much research on this shade. Like, I did so much research on this shade, so I'm actually happy that it's matching me good. Okay. I actually don't even want to stop blending this foundation because I really like it. Anyway. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of my face the way I usually do on a normal day. Okay guys, so I'm back and I've done the rest of my face and all, and I also went back to look at the footage, and oh my god, I love how it looks. I really love how it looks. I think this could be my perfect match. I think it's be my perfect match. You guys let me know what you think. I really like it and I love the finish. Oh my god, I can't stop looking in the mirror. I literally can't stop looking in the mirror because I love the finish. It's really beautiful. Okay guys, so now that I have worn the foundation, I'm going to go about my regular day. I have a couple of things to do today and I'll try to check in between, but then I'll come back here and let you guys know or see how well the foundation held up. I'm not going to do touch up because on a normal day I hardly touch up my face in between. But then the time now is, it's 1:50 p.m. yeah, so I should be back here like around like 6-7 thereabouts. Also I don't know whenever I'm back, but we're going to test this foundation. Let's see how it holds up, you know, throughout the day and everything. Okay guys, this is me checking in 4 hours later. It's 6 o'clock right now. This is how the foundation is looking so far. It needs to get a little shiny around my nose, but it's not so bad. Okay, I'll still come back later to check in. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how the foundation is holding up. Yeah, I'm beginning to get a little bit oily there, but that's normal. Oily around my nose, but I still love it so far. Hey guys, so I'm back and this is the final check-in. The time is 8:30 p.m. and I've been wearing this makeup since 1:50 p.m. so which is about 6 to 7 hours so far. Yeah, so this is how the foundation is after 6-7 hours. So a few observations: I'm oily here around my nose, my T-zone, my chin, which is normal with most foundations. It's medium to full coverage. I know it says it's full coverage, but then it's more of medium to full coverage, and it's beautiful. And it's semi matte. It's not super matte. It's more skin like matte. My favorite thing about this foundation is the finish. It has a skin like finish, and yeah, it claims to be no filter, which is true. It's true. Okay, this is me without any touch up, nothing, and I really like it. I still love it. What do you guys think? Anyway, my verdict. So I'll give this foundation a 9.5 over 10. I'll give it 9.5. I'm super satisfied and I'm definitely going to be using this foundation way more often. So what do you guys think? What are your thoughts? Will you be buying this foundation? How does it look on me? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.